Want to make your WordPress website more interactive by adding clickable links in your sidebar or footer? Today, I'll show you exactly how to do that using a text widget. Quick, simple, and no coding required. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Appearance, then Widgets. This is where you manage all the extra content blocks on your site. Look for the text widget in the list of available widgets. If it's not already in the widget area you want, just drag and drop it into your desired location, maybe a sidebar or footer. Once it's placed, click on the widget to open it. Here, you can type the text you want to display. Now comes the fun part, adding a link. Highlight the specific text you want to turn into a clickable hyperlink. You'll notice a small toolbar popping up above your text. Click the link icon. It usually looks like a little chain. A box will appear where you can add the URL. You can either paste the full link of any page or website, or if you're linking to a page or post on your own site, you can search for it by typing keywords. Hit enter, and just like that, your text becomes a clickable link. And there you have it, a quick way to make your WordPress text widgets interactive, guide your visitors, and improve navigation on your site. Try it out yourself and watch how easily you can connect your audience to the content that matters most.